Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. All right, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can fix your internet if it's not working. Keep in mind, if your internet's not working, it could be your domain name server, it could be your adapter not being connected, or it could be a physical cable that's actually unplugged on your computer. So the first thing is, let's just make sure that your actual network connection is active. Typically, you can go down to the lower right hand scene and see it right here. It would say connected, but if you don't see it and you're on Windows 10, what we're going to do is go to network status. This is on Windows 10, of course, Ethernet, and it's showing our current internet right here, and it's showing connected. If you want to get to additional options, you can click over here, network and sharing, and you can see here that your internet is connected. What you would do is now go over to change adapter settings, and it says connected. So you could disable it and then re-enable it, and that way you'll know everything is working. Once it connects back up, go ahead and try it. That's step number 1. The next method we're going to check is by going to internet properties. What you're going to actually do is go to your control panel, just type in control panel, or just navigate to control panel if you're on an earlier or later version of Windows. Then we want to go over to network and internet. Then we're going to go to internet options. And when the internet options pop up, we're going to go over to connections. At that point, scroll down to LAN settings. That's going to pop up your local area network. All right, so the second thing you're checking for is if the proxy server is on. If it is, you want to deselect it, press OK, reset your computer, and then check your internet connection if it's working. All right, the final way to check your internet connection and try to get everything working is through command prompt. I want you to go to your search menu and put CMD, which is command prompt. It's important that you right click and click on run as admin. You want to have rights that you can change things. To know that you did it correctly, it should say Windows System 32 when this comes up. Next, we're going to enter 2 commands. These commands are in the description of this video, so you can probably just paste them in and press enter after putting each one, or you can type them in. So what we're going to do is reset the catalog in the Windows system files just to make sure everything's running correctly, and it's going to reset the IP to make sure everything's running correctly. We're going to do both of these commands before we reset the computer, so we can just take the first one and copy it. And you can just use Control V, paste, and press enter, and it's going to run. It's say successfully reset the Windows catalog. So you want to make sure it's saying successful to know that you typed in the right thing. Then you put the next one in. Boom, it's ran. Okay, reset your computer to complete this action. So at this point, you're going to reset your computer, and then you're going to try your internet. So those are 3 ways you can fix what's going on with your internet connection. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.